Welcome to episode 13. Destructuring. Pull data apart cleanly. Accessing fields one at a time gets noisy. Destructuring pulls values out in one clean form. We'll cover vectors, maps, defaults, and OS. Let's start the REPL. Square brackets bind by position, X, Y, Z. Ampersand captures the rest as a sec. Map destructuring. Keys names the fields you want. Or gives defaults when a key is missing. Functions can destructure their argument right in the params. Call greet with a map. Name is extracted automatically. Control-D exits. Now let's write destructuring.clj. 2 comment lines. Vector section. Bind 3 positions from a vector. Ampersand captures everything after the first item. Map section. Extract name and age by key. Or provides a default role when the key is missing. Function params can destructure directly. Call greet. It pulls the name from the map argument. Nested destructuring. Reach into a map inside a map. Describe pulls name from outside, city from inside. As section. Keep the whole map while grabbing fields. Call log user with a realistic email. Let's run the file. Vector section XYZ bound by position. Head is 10, others is the rest as a list. Map section, Ada is 30, pulled out by key. Bob's role defaulted to unknown, or saved us. Function greeting, name extracted from the argument. Nested, Ada lives in London. As name plus the full user map. Clean, declarative, no get calls anywhere. Episode 13, complete. Quick recap. Vector destructuring binds by position. Map destructuring with keys binds by name. Or gives defaults. As keeps the whole value. Function params destructure 2 clean API boundaries. Phase 2 complete. Next step, functional core. Thanks for watching episode 13. Phase 2 of Clojure for beginners is done. Next up, episode 14, map, filter, and reduce.